I get to do that? All right, so I'm Carla Green. This is my husband, Mike Poland, and our farm is Sweet Home Farms, and we are in Sweet Home, Oregon. This place is 65 acres. It's substantially less than 100 acres, but at the time when we were looking, we looked at a couple 100-acre properties and thought, oh my gosh, that's so big. Now we manage about 500 acres total, and we think, oh, it's not nearly big enough.
We bought the place in September of 2006, and we've slowly accumulated animals and buildings and fences and things over those years.
Mike retired from his office job about 2 years ago, but I'm still working full-time. We have an integrated livestock farm. We raise sheep and goats and cattle and chickens and pigs. We have what's called a stacked system, where we have multiple types of animals on the same property. And we have been working on developing the system for the last few years and making a lot of changes as we've learned more. Well, we have both livestock guardian dogs and herding dogs, and those are essential to this farm.
We also breed the livestock guardian dogs and the herding dogs.
We love the production end. We also direct market all our meat. So we work with slaughterhouses and on-farm slaughter. We go to farmers markets. We sell through an online store, and we do special deliveries. We have a CSA, Community Supported Agriculture Share, that people can purchase. We say that we're a natural operation. We are not certified organic. We've made decisions up to this point to not try and get the organic certification. Most of our customers, we just tell them what we do, and they're comfortable with that.